ABC Educational Channel. Today, we are going to learn about common English idioms. What is an idiom? An idiom is a group of words with a special meaning. The meaning may be different from the exact words we hear. Let's begin. Piece of cake. This means something very easy. Example: the English quiz was a piece of cake. Piece of cake. Hit the books. This means study hard. Example: I need to hit the books for my test. Hit the books. Break the ice. This means start a conversation. Example: the teacher told a joke to break the ice. Break the ice. Let the cat out of the bag. This means reveal a secret. Example: Tom, let the cat out of the bag about my birthday gift. Let the cat out the bag. Once in a blue moon. This means very rarely. Example: we eat at a restaurant once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon. Bite the bullet. This means do something difficult. Example: I decided to bite the bullet and take the difficult test. Bite the bullet. Cost an arm and a leg. This means very expensive. Example: the new car cost an arm and a leg. Cost an arm and a leg. Under the table. This means made a secret deal. Example: they made a secret deal under the table. Under the table. Beat around the bush. This means avoid the main topic. Example: stop beating around the bush and tell me the truth. Beating around the bush. When pigs fly. This means impossible. Example: he will clean his room when pigs fly. When pigs fly. Under the weather. This means not feeling well. Example: I feel under the weather today. Under the weather. In hot water. This means in trouble. Example: he is in hot water for breaking the window. In hot water. Spill the beans. This means tell a secret. Example: don't spill the beans about the surprise party. Spill the beans. Break the bank. This means spend too much money. Example: buying this toy would break the bank. Break the bank. Break a leg. This means good luck. Good luck in your school play. Break a leg. Hit the sack. This means to go to bed or sleep. Example: I'm tired, it's time to hit the sack. Hit the sack. Hold your horses. This means wait or slow down. Hold your horses, I'm not ready yet. Hold your horses. All ears. This means I am listening carefully. Example: tell me your story, I'm all ears. All ears. Keep an eye on. This means to watch or take care of something. Example: please keep an eye on my bag. Keep an eye on. On cloud nine. This means to feel very happy. Example: she is on cloud nine after winning the contest. On cloud nine. Butterflies in my stomach. This means feeling nervous or excited. Example: I have butterflies in my stomach before the show. Butterflies in my stomach. Early bird. This means a person who wakes up or arrives early. Example: my father is an early bird. He wakes up at 5 o'clock. Early bird. Thanks for watching. Until our next English vocabulary adventure.